Shatan Shkata for an Galway and Countess Fiar Vio, Sachle Caniston Tra FBD. Og Driger Kayla Reishtik and Der Shatan and Mount Hand and Tra. Vikwana Flartak Sean out the player more in a trod and Hayden Samuel Shaw.
Suascadisha is Cousin Toyre Liam Silkach, Tasha Ash Gamas Nagosia.
Anna Khaidia Shin, Desher Void, August Hashi Laskova, Harish Dresnon, like Robert Finnerty. Bin Kaidle Daravich Dachas Kayla Kira Mulhern.
Yeah, well, V Maigh on kick past the Tiger and the Hush Clay and Shin, Tasha fear green. Ach, in Arida Bekarkin, Robert Finnerty bed and Yisar and Shin.
Mulhern Han Farsa, Trace Dogmore of Weimar Unstach and Brockal Dinta, like Dara Byrne, Mulhern is a Hito. Hito Usai take Byrne Hainig, Hashi Stig, Inish, Conran, Gassasher, Hustas, Dinig. Chef in the Buaicphointí solo Biog Doran Gri Moran Nash Desh Buaicphointí Agus Din Mamach Sean O'Kate Fangate Fos Hernan Eastile Mo Deer Han of Lockile like Rhino Dunhu Shin Hall Lockile as the Kalo Casfias Yacher Shaw Hanyart Spas like Sam Callanan Cassashe Nash Gidi Dara Byrne Lena Hitog Skidal and Deshni's Eska Hurta Heinig Agus ha Brockbon Ele Catchin Arde Winter Vining out Gaillimh and Isha Boos Agus nach Bian in Gwinin.
Fair play Shin on score at Fad and Shin Agus Honig Shin at Fad on British Shin a Rú Gaile Lorna Parke co-score again Yanish Juan
Sam Callanan Melna Shasna Hendo Deso ha Desher Void at Tevstig pass live Ele Shochwin Aiden O'Shea Shasna and Nesso ha Boyd a fight Aiden O'Shea
yeah agus Glushach Dasin Shino Vio ach Beganin Roeska Dave na Galway de Niacha Aindene Niraindene stoi Sostan Gramu a Chudle Imrod SVO ach fair play Aiden O'Shea Rinisha Gamanch.
Yeah.
So it's the venture over on Real Agoni.
Hennelly yeah shit Agus Mona Moonin Shin Cathit to Hiano
But Shin to Misha Duvagas Bond Shin fear scoring Shin or Rob Henley
Tarniach Shirach the Lanche shoe there so Hossentor and Tavelle and the skill of Finnerty in North Tevlik Shuchwin Malloy Kieran Malloy Twert in the void
yeah, agus Mestura sé gira cool all in Shinner Rob Henley ach on dummy Shinner rinne Rob Finnerty tas hanya fadgar sé tiecht ach fósta sé deacar é stoppa ach Malloy stoilm cínte gur bhí sé gira cool all in Shin
agus Beggarthe tuair féin score a sé builte go hard ag sinní Monán chorá for an score agus ha cúpla eile aimsithe ag Mayo agus Binne Jack Carney.
Yeah, scored in Scon Shin agus Andy Moore agus kaint faoin the Buaicphointí Shin on cúpla.
Hennelly a rá cúpla score aimse hiige. Hanna féin ceanna bhain chur hamú aige. Cad féin bouta sa. A sé sásta ha sé rithe neis leis agus an thora canan céanna agus ha Rory Began in an bháistear dus na scórna sa. Gach seans go bheith seo in chéad máistreile da.
Yeah, an chríonn sin ag Rob Henley.
Roscór as a chéile ag Mayo sa tána lesa. Sichuin a rúist Elliot ha dine nú táta a lá a ghart. Dinim steach ar Maigh de siar leis a gaid. Doran bhíidir na húise ha seans ar bhaid iach ar sin mar siach ag Dara Byrne.
Yes, hoig sé sin go má cam rá. Má bhí an éon leid óga breanúid an gic seo. Brana in a chuinn se an pass dastan sin ó Jack Carney ach brana in a chuinn se ísilí sin agus ní thug sé seansad big go Conor Gleeson an sin chríochna sé tá sé fíor chumpordach Dara Byrne na rán se níróide.
Henley gáil na caidisteach a gá láimh Sean Kelly cocha go siúd na Shane McGrath skillan na soccer well bhí mar tuairt mulla de Dara Byrne íoch ar sin mar bháide ó Shane McGrath.
Yeah, well, tháinig sé sin ó botú nach lebheith féráte rinne sé go máin sin go leor imiróí ficadí suas an sinne ach Rob Henley bhí me deabhla leis na cúplaí a scóráilte.
Mulhern na kick. Finnerty Catte in Ash. Chance Voide. Anna Havoid.
Fear Sava Tinchin Egg Rob Henley or Daniel Flaherty.
Never been Lishgale Lidarov. Ashia go Dunu. Captain the four now the Flamer Agesho. Pass like Luksha Kadi Trace Imror Yesh Foil. Hasha fight which a Kiech Nahaga slapped for Hambashed.
Ja, agus score Darson sin o Cian McHale sin on Frihunsi. On Frihunsi fear éfachtach den sin ag bhío. Gaillimh gur a cúlú siar an sin nach ní raidig glob agus flagra Mayo inis agus beganín momentum ac maiolad an cúl.
An Grian Cínte din Rodini Stacker Nether on Féiles an Maidor. Na Gansa Ian of Mahashek Fionn McDonough. Hashi Kiachna. Sananga. Fionn McDonough.
Agus in Eastern Yeroid Father Stach Juan and Yeroid tradition to Matthias Barry the Stoilum a kick out of Stach and Chinny agus Fionn McDonough and Chin agus Diana Gaman.
Mayo Hasha Kailton Ish of Aumaka. Do Shade Egg at Chi Hock Deck. Ha boy de Waha Kelly. Will I Helesh Ni? Hasha Fos, Chancel on the Havalo Henley. Binnigan Affinity. Agzer Derry Amach Lemuyo. On the Chancena is the Desha Cruha a Cup. Kador the Stachanim on the Carnoige. Wilane Yahundar the Horley. Esha Manon. Shinny and Manon, aga shin.
The second half was mental, like typical Mayo goal game. But like to get out of that win with a 2-point start the league off, it's so important. It's such a competitive league. They're a savage team. So, you know, they started getting on top of the breaking ball, and with the fours they have, you know, the game's never over at these new rules especially. So it was good. It went right to the last whistle, but like. You know, a lot of work for us to do ahead of Dublin next week. With regards to tactics, obviously there's a lot more emphasis on set pieces like kick-outs, a lot more emphasis on getting your shots off and getting your shots up. And then the one-on-one battles is massive, like, and we've great man-to-man defenders, thank God, because when you're up against like Robert Finnerty and these lads in space, it's a hard place to be, but it's the way it's going to be for the foreseeable, which is it's brilliant to watch. Like, sure, it's a great spectacle there.